everyone, my name is Mikayla Snow and today I'm going to show you guys how I made my last minute Among Us Halloween costume. I started off this project by making a batch of paper mache, and I'll link down in the description a video where I go much more in depth with this process. But basically all you want to do is cover a big balloon in newspaper. You just want to make sure you get a nice base layer all over your balloon, and once every inch is covered you can let it dry and get ready for the second layer. And on the second layer you want to make sure you are reinforcing the bottom area because that's where we're going to be cutting open a hole. And then once the paper mache was completely dry, I did a white base coat just to cover up any of the newspaper. And then I popped my balloon, and that was so much fun to watch it shrink in there, and it was a good sign that my paper mache helmet was structurally sound. And then it's time to pick your color, so I decided to make this one pink. So I just painted it this bright pink color, and then for the helmet design I just used a reference image and dotted out an outline, and then I just filled it in with the corresponding colors. And I think it looks pretty legit. And there you go, you just have to throw on a pink outfit and you are a pink Among Us crewmate. And of course you can make this any color you like, especially because I know a lot of the helmets people were using for this cosplay or costume sold out really fast at Spirit Halloween, so I hope this was a helpful alternative. Even though you can't technically see out of this, it's still pretty good for pictures or making TikToks. I have 2 other DIYs if you want to check those out also. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this quick little video, and I hope everyone has a safe and happy Halloween. Bye guys!